Hey there, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for navigating the digital world. Today, we're tackling something super timely: how to withdraw USDT in Poppo Live 2025. If you're earning rewards on Poppo Live and want to cash out your USDT seamlessly, you're in the right place. This process has evolved with new security features in 2025, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Poppo Live app installed on your device. It's crucial for smooth transactions and to avoid any glitches. Once you're set, open the app and log in to your account using your credentials. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which I highly recommend, you'll get a verification code on your phone or email. Next, head over to the Wallet or Balance section, usually found in the main menu. Here, you'll see your available USDT balance. Tap on the Withdraw button to get started. Now, select USDT as your withdrawal currency from the drop-down list. Double-check that it's easy to mix up with other cryptos. Enter the wallet address where you want to send your USDT. Pro tip: always verify this address twice to prevent any costly mistakes. In 2025, Poppo Live might require you to link an external wallet first, so if prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to connect it securely. After that, input the amount you wish to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to approve the transaction via a PIN or biometric verification for added security. Finally, sit back and wait for the confirmation. Withdrawals can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. And that's it, your USDT should be on its way. If you run into any issues, check the app's help section or contact support. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.